Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy installation of the Entría single-door controller. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need: the Entría unit, a 12-volt 5-amp power supply, and the proper wiring, 6-conductor cable for the main device, and 4-conductor cable for any Wiegand readers. Remember, this system uses DC power, and we recommend keeping your wire runs under 60 feet. If you're setting up a VPN connection, simply run the customer's internet line into the Entría device. For a cellular setup, secure your wiring. Powering the device is just as simple. Connect your transformer, positive to plus and negative to minus. If you're using 12-gauge wire, splice it down so it fits in the terminal. Using solar power, connect in this order: blue board, battery, then solar panel. Check the in-hand router's lights to confirm everything is working. And don't remove the SIM card. CellGate support handles that. On the blue board, you'll connect power, gate triggers, and any additional readers. For gate status wiring, always use a dry contact output to avoid damaging the board. And if you're using wet contact relays, install the diode as instructed to keep your warranty valid. When you're ready to mount the unit, align it on the pedestal using the pre-drilled holes and secure it tightly. Be sure to ground the device with a 14-gauge wire for safety. Finally, power everything up and test the system. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, reliable installation every time.